Div and span are the two elements which are most often used in HTML document. Although these are non-semantic tags and it is also not obvious which content will be wrapped inside these tags, but they are very helpful. The div and span are mainly used for styling purposes as a generic container. A div is a block level element which is commonly used to group a large number of contents inside it. For example, on this document right now we have one h1 tag and a p tag. So if we want to wrap this h1 as well as p tag inside a container, so to make a container we use div. So we can keep them inside the div tag. Now div is working as a generic container for this h1 as well as p tag. On the other hand, we have span. Span is an inline level element which is commonly used for smaller grouping of text within a block level element. For example, if we want to group these two words, so we can wrap them inside a span tag. So now the span is working as a small group for these two words. Alright guys, this div and span is going to be very helpful while working with the layout. So do not neglect them as they are non-semantic tags. Then there comes block and inline level elements. And I have already mentioned that div is a block level element and span is an inline level element. So what are these level of elements? In HTML documents, all the elements are either a block level element or an inline level element. A block level element always begins from a new line and stack on top of each other. It occupies all the available width. For example, here we have one h1 tag and a p tag, and both of these tags are a block level element. So if we check out the result here, the h1 tag as well as this paragraph tag are coming on a new line and they are covering all the horizontal space, that is all the available width. A block level element can nest a block level or inline level element inside itself. Commonly, a block level element is used to wrap a large piece of content. Few block level elements are paragraph, h1, div, aside, etc. An inline level element does not begin from a new line. They come one after one in a single line and cover the space according to the content it wraps inside it. For example, here we have one span tag. If we check out the result here, we can see that styling purpose is not starting from a new line as well as it is taking the space according to the content it is wrapping. An inline level element can only nest inline level elements inside it. We can now take a block level element inside an inline level element. Commonly, inline level element is used to wrap a small piece of content such as a few words. Few inline level elements are span, strong, em, anchor tag, etc.